Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by reclaiming resources. Uninstall apps you never use and disable pre-installed bloat. This frees CPU cycles and storage. Next, clear app cache and temp files so apps load from fresh data rather than corrupted caches. Check storage settings and move large media to cloud or SD card to avoid low storage slowdowns. Once done, reboot to apply system-level cleanup. This forces a fresh memory state and lets you measure real improvement before deeper tweaks. You now tune runtime behavior. Enable developer options and set background process limit to 1 or 2 so the OS prioritizes active tasks. This reduces CPU thrashing. Update Android and every app to get performance patches, and swap heavy apps for lighter alternatives when possible, because lighter apps use less RAM and battery. Then reduce or disable system animations. Set window, transition, and animator scales to 0, 5x or off to make UI feel snappier. Make sure to reboot after major updates to stabilize services. You finish by verifying stability. Run a diagnostic app to watch CPU, RAM, and battery usage so you understand ongoing drains. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent software issues and returns the device to optimal baseline. If reset is too drastic, boot into safe mode to isolate misbehaving apps, disable or uninstall offenders. If you still see lag after reset, consider hardware limits. Older storage or low RAM may require an upgrade or a lighter ROM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.